Understanding Puppy Love, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a charming and often used English phrase, puppy love. It's a phrase you might hear in songs, movies, or everyday conversation. We'll explore what it means, where it comes from, and how to use it in context. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery of this adorable expression. Puppy love refers to a type of youthful, innocent, and somewhat superficial love or crush. Typically, it's used to describe the romantic feelings that young people have, which are intense but not deeply emotional or long-lasting. Think of how a puppy shows affection, eagerly, innocently, and without understanding the complexities of adult relationships. That's the essence of puppy love. The term, puppy love, likely comes from the way puppies are known for their playful, affectionate nature. Puppies show love freely and simply, without the depth that comes with mature understanding. This comparison captures the essence of the early stages of romantic affection, especially among teenagers or children, where emotions are felt strongly but might lack depth and understanding. Let's see how puppy love can be used in sentences. 1. They're not serious, it's just puppy love. Here, it's used to describe a relationship that is not deeply emotional or expected to last. 2. Remember our high school days? That was such a puppy love phase. This reflects on a past time where love felt was youthful and not mature. Puppy love is a common theme in pop culture. It's often used in songs, movies, and literature to depict young love. Some famous songs even have it in their titles, capturing the essence of this fleeting, sweet kind of affection. And that's puppy love for you. It's a phrase that encapsulates the sweetness and simplicity of young love. While it might not last, it's a special part of growing up and understanding emotions. Hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Stay curious, and keep learning. See you in the next video.